You found silk unit making all by hand, no machine. 4 ladies at the 4 sides stretched for the silk bedding making.
Okay guys, it's good afternoon. We went on, what did we do? We went to the silk factory this morning after probably, what was it, hour, 2 hours in the bus to get into central Shanghai. Now we've left our group just because we didn't want to do the walking tour. We're gonna head across to one of the the observation decks. Hopefully it's not too cloudy. According to Shanghai, well, China, this is the 2nd tallest in the world, but I know that Merodeka 118 in Malaysia is the tallest, 2nd tallest in the world, but this is the tallest observatory, like observation deck. So this should be really fun, hopefully, and a really quick lift.
各位来宾，欢迎光临上海之巅观光厅。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shanghai Tower. 现在您所搭乘的电梯是目前世界上最快的超高速电梯。Now we are taking the world's fastest high-speed elevator. 电梯最快速度可达每秒18米。Fastest speed is 18 meters per second. 仅55秒便可到达上海之巅观光厅。In only 55 seconds, we will reach observatory of Shanghai Tower. 118层到了，祝您参观愉快。We have arrived at 118th floor. Wish you a pleasant tour.
Jeez, my ears popped. Okay, so we're up here in the observation tower, which is, I believe, still the world's tallest observation tower, observation deck, because it's taller than the Burj Khalifa's observation deck, which is pretty insane. Like, the Burj Khalifa is massive compared to this, but this has got a taller observation deck. And the clouds are just rolling around. It feels crazy.
In 70 seconds, we will arrive at the second basement floor. 您在搭乘时若感到耳部不适，可以张大嘴巴或者吞咽来缓解。If you feel uncomfortable with your ears, please swallow to release the pressure.
It's a bit wet here in Shanghai. We hoped the weather would have been good, but no, it's wet as anything.
Can't expect everything on holiday.
And that's where we were, right up the top in that cloud. I guess to take the metro in Shanghai, you have to go through security, which we did on our way to Shanghai Tower, but I guess you got to do it at every station, which is pretty interesting, that's for sure. Okay, so we've had to kind of change our plans because of the amount of rain that there is. So instead of heading back into kind of the Bund, which is like the older part, and going for a ride on the bikes, we're gonna do what the other group, the rest of the people are gonna do tomorrow, go take the Maglev. We're only gonna do it one way to the airport, or one back from the airport. We're just gonna take the metro to the airport, and then hopefully once that's done, we'll be able to head to our show, which is at like 7 o'clock, but we've got to get there, which could take a while. But yeah, let's take the train to the airport, then take the Maglev back, which is like a levitating train, which is pretty insane. So this is the Maglev, which is what we're going on, and from what I can remember, it goes 450 k's an hour. It's not as bullety as a bullet train, that's for sure. It's still pretty insane.
Actually, why don't we run it off the track? Like, full speed off that.
I know how to do it. finish the penultimate day here in China. Tomorrow we're just gonna pretty much do this, not the same, but we're gonna explore Shanghai a bit more, and then in the evening we've got a flight at about 8 o'clock back off home to first to Sydney, and then a bus back to Canberra. So it's gonna be a long day, but at least we get home back into our own beds, and I mean, it's been a great trip so far, so hopefully tomorrow just finishes off on a great note. But yeah, hope you all have enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one tomorrow or whenever you see it. See ya.